Question number 4. What is a primary advantage of AWS's global infrastructure? Limited regional availability, reduced deployment speed, enhanced data locality and compliance, increased hardware maintenance. By global infrastructure, AWS is describing their worldwide collection of data centers and hardware, including networking capabilities that allow you to build wherever in the world is going to be most useful for your organization and the customers that you're trying to serve. So we're looking at benefits, we're looking at advantages given to us by that architecture. So A is limited regional availability. Not it. AWS runs dozens of these regional architectures. They call them AWS regions. They're all over the globe. They're on every continent, with the exception of Antarctica. And the ability to deploy workloads wherever in the world you are is a huge primary advantage. No again. Deployment speed is a good thing. I want to go faster in rolling out new versions of my software to be responsive to customer needs. So reducing that is bad news. Again, knowing that AWS has regional infrastructure around the globe, that improves my deployment speed. I can deploy things faster. At the click of a mouse, I can have servers running around the world. So no to A and B. How about C, enhanced data locality and compliance? We're talking about a global infrastructure. We're talking about hardware that is physically all over the globe. Does that enhance my ability to locate data where I need it? Yes, it does. Does that help me comply with certain kinds of compliance regimes? Again, yes. I might have workloads that require all of the data for that project to live within a certain country or a particular region of the world, and I can comply with that very easily because AWS's regions are self-contained. Data stored in one AWS region never leaves that region unless you as the customer actively move it somewhere. So that sounds very good. Let's look at D, increased hardware maintenance. I don't think anybody would think of that as an advantage. And certainly, the fact that AWS is managing the infrastructure does not increase your hardware maintenance, it radically lowers it. You don't have to manage any of the hardware that's involved in the architecture in AWS Cloud. That's all AWS's responsibility. So our right answer is indeed C. Enhanced data locality and compliance is a primary advantage of AWS's global infrastructure.